Introducing the 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. Picture yourself at the wheel of this comfortable and capable Pathfinder. Solid, versatile, and smooth, it has all the features you need to make road trips, towing, and household projects a breeze. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, fog lamps, power passenger seat, premium sound system, power liftgate, dual zone AC, rear AC, power driver seat. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.